Hey there guys, it's Jane here, and today's Nuttela day. Every Friday is Nuttela day. So what we're going to be doing for today is we're going to be making brown slime, which is like the color of Nuttela. So let's begin. What you'll be needing is of all the types of laundry detergent works. So first thing you have to do is to put the glue. There we go. Then the next thing you're going to do is to put, oh yeah, this is optional. We're just making ordinary slime, but since it's Nuttela day, we're going to be using brown paint. So it's up to you if you want to use paint. So I'm back. As you can see, the color is good. Now the next step you do is to pour your detergent, which I already did off camera. Then the last thing you have to do is to mix. My Nuttela slime, which is very stretchy, and okay, so let's stretch a bit. Okay, let's stretch it now. So stretch. So it's really stretchy, guys. So stretchy. So let's see how it falls to the container. Oh yeah, and this it was really soapy. Yeah, so it was really like a failure with the soap detergent thing, but it got dry, and this was the proof. So that's it. Thanks guys for watching, and bye!